Hi students, class 9, example sum 6.6, find the value of the following. The first Roman number is cos 0 degree plus sin 45 degree plus sin 30 degree into sin 90 degree minus 45 cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree. Let's see the first Roman number first. First we want to know what is the sin and cos value. So let me take it as that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and then 90 degree. We know that sin theta is equal to sin 0 is 0, right? You know how to find this? Taking that root divided by 4 and then root divided by 1 by 4 and then root 2 by 4 like this, right? By using this concept we can easily write the values. So here 1 by root 4 means we get 1 by 2. Here 2 by root 4 means we get 1 by root 2. 3 by root 4 means 3 by 2. Here 4 by 4, that is 1. Cos theta, just reverse the value. Here we have 1, root 3 divided by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and then 0. Right? Next we go to the solution. See, cos 0 plus sin 45. I just write the question again. Cos 0 degree plus sin 45. See, in the places we have to substitute the values. Cos 0 is 1 plus sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into sin 90 is 1 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and then cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now we want to take LCM for both the term. If you take LCM here, see denominator we have 2 root 2 and 2. So we take it as denominator as 2 root 2. So each and every term should be multiplied by 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2. Here in that 2 root 2 multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா root 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So we get 2. So இங்க 2 root 2 multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 cancel ஆயிடும். Only we get root 2. Here also the same. With the symbol as differ, that is 2 root 2. இங்க என்ன வருதோ அதே தான் வரும், பட் இங்க symbol மைனஸ்ல இருக்கு. That is 2 root 2 minus 2 plus root 2. Now add the terms. இங்க ஒரு 2 root 2, இங்க ஒரு root 2 இருக்கு. அப்போ 3 root 2 plus 2 divided by 2 root 2. இங்கே ஒரு 2 root 2, இங்கே ஒரு root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 root 2. இங்கே இந்த நியூமரேட்டர் பாருங்க, இது a plus b, a minus b என்ற ஃபார்ம் இருக்கு. நம்மளுக்கு ஃபார்முலா தெரியும், a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So this term is equal to எப்படி எழுதணும் பாருங்க, 3 root 2 whole square plus, sorry here minus in formula, that is 2 whole square divide by, இது அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ நியூமரேட்டருக்கு மட்டும்தான் இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம். டினாமினேட்டர் அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. 2 2s are 4. root 2 into root 2 is 2. ரைட்? இந்த எப்படி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம், 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. இந்த 2 2s are 4. root 2 into root 2 நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் 2. சரிங்களா? 4 into 2. Now 3 root 2 whole square. 3 square na 9. root 2 cancel out. So we get 2 minus 2 square is 4 divided by 4 2s are 8. This term is equal to 9 2s are 18 minus 4 divided by 8 is equal to 14 divided by 8. இந்த 12 பண்ணுங்க, we get 7 divided by 4. So the value is 7 divided by 4 is the answer. Thank you students.